Brought to you by JEGS.
In this video, we'll cover some of the potential pitfalls you can encounter when ordering custom wheels, how to measure properly to ensure your new wheels will fit the car correctly, and how to make sure you're ordering the correct product for your vehicle. It's important to always take your wheel measurements with the tire dismounted from the wheel in order to avoid any mistakes. There are a number of important dimensions that will affect how the wheel fits on your vehicle, and in fact whether it will fit at all. Follow along as we point out the important terms you need to know to properly select your new wheels. There are 5 main measurements we're looking at today: bolt pattern, offset, backspacing, diameter, and width. Each of these dimensions plays a part in whether your selection will work properly on your vehicle. Diameter is the measurement across the face of the wheel, not including the wheel lips, which are the part of the wheel that helps to retain the tire in place. Width is the measurement from the inside of the wheel lip across the wheel to the other wheel lip. These are the basic dimensions that affect appearance and what tires you'll need to buy. There are 4 different common bolt pattern styles: 4, 5, 6, and 8 lug, and each can be found with several different bolt circle dimensions. To determine the bolt pattern dimensions for your vehicle, use the following method. If you have a 4, 6, or 8 lug wheel, measure from the middle of 2 holes directly across from one another. 5 lug wheels are measured from the back of one hole to the center of the second hole. For convenience, JEGS offers an inexpensive template set that lets you instantly and accurately determine your bolt pattern. The next few steps are very important to consider when measuring for your wheels. Wheel offset is the dimension from the rear of the mounting face to the center line of the wheel. Wheel backspacing is the measurement from the rear of the mounting face to the backside wheel lip. Both of these dimensions will affect suspension and brake clearance. There are 3 different types of wheel offset: positive, zero, and negative offset. Remember that the offset is measured from the inside of the wheel's mounting face to the true center line of the wheel. A positive offset wheel's hub mounting surface will be shallow, closer to the street side of the wheel. A zero offset wheel will have a hub mounting surface that is centered in the middle of the wheel, and a negative offset wheel will be deeper, or having a mounting face that's closer to the back side of the wheel than the front side. Confirm the correct bolt pattern to ensure the wheel will fit the hubs of your car. You must take into account clearance when turning, clearance for suspension or exhaust parts, and making sure to take your measurements with the suspension compressed. The vehicle needs to be on the ground and will require checking these things with the previous wheels and tires on the car. There must be a safe amount of room between the sidewall of the tire and the wheel well opening and any other potential interference points both inside and outside the wheel. You can use this Percy Wheelwright Fitment tool, available from JEGS, to make the process easier on difficult fitments. It's also important to select the right style lug nuts for your new wheels. Some wheels require acorn style, 45 or 60-degree seat lug nuts, while other wheels, typically racing wheels, require mag style lug nuts, where the shank on the nut protrudes into the wheel. Shank lug nuts come in varied lengths designed to fit the thickness of the specified wheel. Double-check the style and length of lug nuts your wheels require, and make sure you're also ordering the correct thread pitch for your vehicle's wheel studs. If you're looking to install a new set of wheels and tires onto your vehicle, a few minutes spent measuring will be required before placing an order. This will ensure that the wheels you get will turn heads, keep you happy, and fit right for miles of smiles.
Brought to you by JEGS.